Hey folks, have you ever thought about making passive income? Do you want to earn more with less effort? Here we are going to tell you exciting ideas to make you financially independent. There is something special in this video, so watch the video till the end to better understand. But before starting the video, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel Successful Finance. First of all, we need to understand what is passive income. The term passive income refers to income you receive that does not require you to do much active work. For earning an income, you will need to put in some additional effort along the way. For instance, buying a property can generate a handsome amount without doing any work. Among the biggest reasons why people earn passive income is the ability to make money while sleeping. There are lots of things you can create: a blog, course, ebook, video, or online store that you can earn money even if you are not working. You can also invest passively in property or stocks to earn passive income. Here are some of the ideas that you can choose as per your interest. Number 1. Sell your photography. Do you want to make a passive income stream from your photography? How about starting your own business as an amateur photographer with an eye for beautiful pictures? Whatever your level of experience or skill set, selling photos online is a huge opportunity in 2022 to 2023, and it will only grow in popularity. There are endless ways to earn some extra cash with your creativity, from contributing to stock photo websites to building your own website. The internet is a great place to sell photography, and you could work with a company like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy to do that. Once you're approved by the platform, you can license your photos to anyone who downloads them. Every time someone uses your photo, the platform pays you. A specific audience needs specific images, and you have to discover where the demand is. The photos can be models, landscapes, or creative scenarios, or they could capture actual events that make the news. Your efforts can be scaled if you sell or license your photos through a platform, especially if you provide pictures that are in demand. As a result, you could potentially sell the same image hundreds of times, or even thousands of times. Number 2. Create a print-on-demand store. On-demand printing lets you sell your custom graphics on products such as t-shirts, clothing, mugs, canvas, phone cases, and bags. This allows you to create your own branded products. Sales will take off if you create a winning design. Since other brands are unlikely to sell the same designs, it isn't a very competitive industry. As an artist, designer, or entrepreneur, print-on-demand can be a way to monetize your creativity and earn passive income. By working with suppliers, you can create white-label products like t-shirts, posters, backpacks, or books to sell per order. Similarly to drop shipping, you only pay for the product once it is sold. There is no need to buy in bulk or keep inventory. Having a print-on-demand store is a great way to make passive income, because you create products quickly and sell them quickly. Your supplier handles shipping and fulfillment. After setting up your store, you can automate many marketing and sales processes with a print-on-demand company like Printful. You can quickly create products to sell in your Shopify store. In general, print-on-demand is a low-risk, simple business idea that is easy to get up and running. Number 3. Start a YouTube channel. Do you work as a mechanic? Are you perhaps a DIY enthusiast? Would you like to be a travel blogger in the future? Would you ever wonder why famous YouTube personalities are involved in their channels on a full-time basis? Here's the answer. It's simple. They earn handsome amounts of money from their YouTube channels. With the YouTube Partner Program, you can create your own content and get paid. Creating content for YouTube isn't necessarily time-consuming, so you can earn passive income without committing time to it. Whether you are at home, at work, or on vacation, you can simply record your experience. As long as it's interesting, people will watch. These are a few simple rules to follow. Create a YouTube channel. Create a regular YouTube videos that will capture the attention of viewers. Also, the YouTube algorithm understands better that you are posting regularly. You can make dollars per 1,000 views, depending on your country's location. Because every country has its own CPM, cost per mile. YouTube provides content producers with the opportunity to make money, and to do that you only need to attract viewers. You can connect your channel to AdSense to monetize your YouTube channel. You must associate an approved AdSense accounts with your YouTube account. Number 4. Write an ebook today. The popularity of ebooks has opened up opportunities to both writers and non-writers. You can make money writing and selling your ebooks online, as a freelance writer or by hiring a ghostwriter to do it for you. Write your book. Proofread it. Edit or have it edited. Get an astonishing cover which will attract people's attention. Write a brilliant description, which within 3 lines will make people think I have to read that. Think of keywords that are in your description, book title, and the first 3 chapters that people might search for. Format your book as an ebook. While you are doing all this, create social media accounts on Facebook, Twitter, and others where you can talk about your ideas, engage in conversation, comment on others' posts, and be a nice person who is not trying to sell everyone something. Join author groups and learn from others' experience. Never make any form of offensive comments on these. You should also create or have created a book website. Publish your ebook at Amazon. Don't apply DRM, it doesn't work and irritates people. If this is your first ebook, you might find it an advantage to make it exclusive to them by joining Kindle Select. Don't expect to keep it there. Now comes the hard part: learn how to publicize your book and do that. Be aware that an average book sells 150 copies or fewer in its entire lifetime, and that you have a greater chance of winning the lottery than of becoming one of those authors who makes millions. With hard work, more books, and perseverance, you might make enough to make a difference to your life. Number 5. Create and sell digital products. A digital product is a piece of media or an asset that consumers cannot touch physically. For instance, Kindle books, templates, extensions, and plugins are downloadable or streamable. There is no doubt that digital products are great passive income streams because they have high profit margins. It only takes a few minutes to make the asset, and you can sell it over and over again online. There is no need for storage or inventory. There is no limit to how many digital products you can sell. Selling kits, printables, files, and other assets professionals can use helps creators scale their passive income. In UX kits, for instance, you can purchase personas, flowcharts, and wireframes that will help you in your design work. This is a very simple idea that can make you financially free. Let's start now. Thanks for watching our video. Hit the like button if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. What kind of topics you want to watch in our next video, do tell us in the comments section.